Hello. Today I will show you how to manage vouchers from the Voucher List page using the Voucher Creator plugin. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on All Vouchers. You will be taken to a page where all vouchers are listed with details such as title, shortcode, published status, and options to add, edit, delete, or search vouchers. You can also perform bulk actions like edit and move to trash. From the Bulk Actions dropdown, select Edit. Choose the vouchers you want to modify and click Apply. Here, I have selected all vouchers. You can now update their status. Click Update to apply the changes to all selected vouchers. Next, you can filter vouchers based on the month they were created or published. I selected December and clicked Filter, and all vouchers created in December are displayed. Click on Published to view only published vouchers with details such as title, price, shortcode, and published date. Click on Draft to view vouchers saved in draft status with the same details. Now, click on All again to view all available vouchers. Use the search bar to find a specific voucher by title. I searched for the keyword test, and all vouchers containing this word appeared in the search results. Finally, you can move vouchers to trash either individually or in bulk using the Move to Trash option. Trashed vouchers will appear in the trash list. Clicking on Empty Trash will permanently delete the vouchers from the list.
Thank you for your time.